If Canva is giving you trouble right now, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that can solve the most common Canva problems in just a few minutes. Whether Canva is not loading, pages are stuck, things are lagging, or buttons are not responding, these steps can help you get back to work fast. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy how-to guides. Alright, let's start with the fastest and simplest fix first. Refresh your browser. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and R if you're on Windows. If you're using a Mac, you can use Command and R. A simple refresh can clear temporary loading issues and get Canva working again without doing anything complicated. If that doesn't fix the issue, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Open a new tab and search for speed test, then run a speed test on your connection. Canva relies on a stable internet connection, so if your network is slow or unstable, the app may freeze, fail to load, or stop saving your work properly. If the speed test shows a problem, try switching networks, restarting your router, or connecting to a stronger Wi-Fi signal. Now let's move on to clearing your browser cache, which is one of the most effective fixes for Canva errors. In your browser, click the three dots in the top corner, then go to Delete Browsing Data. From there, make sure you select Cached Images and Files, then click Clear. Old cache files can sometimes interfere with Canva and cause display problems, login issues, or loading errors. After clearing the cache, close the browser completely and reopen Canva again. If Canva is still acting up, your browser extensions may be the cause. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can block Canva's features from loading properly. To check this, click the three dots in your browser again, go to Extensions, then open Manage Extensions. Turn off any ad blockers or unnecessary extensions one by one, then reload Canva and see if the problem is gone. If Canva starts working after disabling an extension, you've found a conflict. Another easy fix is simply waiting a few minutes and trying again. Sometimes Canva itself may be having a temporary issue, or your browser session just needs a little time to reset. After you've refreshed, checked your internet, cleared your cache, and disabled extensions, wait a short while and then try opening Canva again. In many cases, that final retry is all it takes. If you're still stuck, repeat the steps in order and test Canva after each one so you can figure out exactly which fix solved the issue. Start with refresh, then test your internet, then clear cache, then disable extensions, and finally try again after a short wait. That way, you're not guessing, you're narrowing down the real cause. These quick steps solve a lot of common Canva problems, and they're safe, simple, and beginner-friendly. If this video helped you fix Canva today, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy software tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.